Hi, my name is Amber Lowry. I'm the founder of Syssero, Seneca, and Systics. Sycero's origin story really starts for me straight out of college. I had the opportunity to work for Workday, and I clearly drank the Kool-Aid because I've never left the product. And through that journey, life changes. There's evolution. So I went from the product side working for Workday, ended up doing consulting for a while, ended up becoming a mom, ended up employee side on the client side of things. And ultimately I found it out that I wanted to build something that gave me a work-life balance without having me be on the road, but allowing me to consult. So in 2016, I created Syssero with a bunch of me, my mom friends, and frankly a little bit of my dad friends too. You know, it's interesting. I get asked how Syssero became what it is today. And from my lens, quite honestly, it was an evolution day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year. I honestly never thought it would get this big. It was a bunch of me, my mom friends, my dad friends, trying to build something that allowed us to be who we authentically are in a way that we thought was going to add value to the ecosystem.
My name is Ryan Massey, and I'm the president and co-founder of Syssero, Systics, and Seneca. I joined Amber in starting Syssero because I saw that she had a unique perspective in this ecosystem. She started at Workday, she went to the implementer side, then she went to the in-client side, and at director level positions at something like 26, 27 years old. Here is a smart, capable, and well-versed in the Workday ecosystem woman. And then she went on to be a hired gun, which is where I met her, and she was an independent consultant. So she had seen every facet of this ecosystem, and I was talking to clients and implementers, and I was talking to the same types of organizations that was her history. And we came to the same shared conclusion that a voice is missing in this ecosystem and support right now, and it's the client voice. So that's what really drew me to Amber and why we started working together. Syssero's purpose is to serve those that don't know how to operate and effectively manage or optimize this technology that their leaders and executives have decided this is our solve. And we are simply a collection of those past in-customer soldiers that are taking the mandate and said, I'm going to figure this thing out. But you don't have to do that alone. So our purpose is to join together with our clients and to be the help that we wish we had in the ecosystem to serve. When we work with our clients, we recognize that our clients, we're just future versions of them in that journey of self-sufficiency and adoption with Workday. And we think that ingredient of empathy and ability to connect and understand the business mandate, the environment, the politics of the organization in which we are serving as consultants, that is more impactful than in history and experience and background than having a dense consulting background of how to advise. We know how to advise, but we advise a little bit differently. We advise as, if I were you, here's what I would do differently. Because I have been you. I have had to sit in that seat. And so that gives us a unique voice at the table. And that's why I think the most powerful consultants have never been consultants.